Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to do my very first unboxing for October and it is Lookfantastic. That's what the box looks like. So as always, if you are new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box. It costs £15 a month and it ships worldwide. Inside you will find 6 beauty items that range from skincare, makeup, hair care and also nails. And we've had some tools like makeup brushes and things as well. I've been subscribed to Lookfantastic for nearly 4 years, so a long time now. I take out the 12-month subscription, so then it brings the cost down a little bit. So instead of paying £15 a month, I pay £13 a month. I have to say that it's one of my favourite subscription boxes and I have never taken a break. I've just subscribed continually for the last couple of years. This box is actually a PR box and that's why you're seeing it a little bit earlier than normal. I'm on Lookfantastic's PR list, so they kindly send me their boxes for free so I can show you and tell you all about it a little bit earlier, so then you get to see if it's a box for you or not. So with my actual paid subscription that I keep running, I use those boxes for giveaways on my Instagram or my Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, or I save them and I give them as gifts to like my friends and family. So as well as a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, they also offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription as well. And based on my years of subscribing to Lookfantastic, I'd say that it tends to be more skincare heavy. Now at the moment there's a lot going on with Lookfantastic. They've got a Christmas beauty chest out which is stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. That's available to purchase now, as well as their gorgeous advent calendar which I've already unboxed on my channel. And they're bringing out an Estee Lauder limited edition beauty box as well. So all links and everything related to those items and also the subscription I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see a show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So let's get on to unboxing this and showing you what's inside. Inside every box you'll have a booklet, and in here tells you everything about the products that are inside the box, but it also tells you about different products they've got on their website. If you didn't already know, Lookfantastic have a huge online store. It is huge and there's always discounts and sales going on. So it mentions here about the advent calendar and the up and coming collaboration boxes. They talk about the products like Esper in here, and then it shows you the products that are inside the box. So I'll refer to this as we go along, plus it gives me a price as well. So I like to find out how much things cost so I'm able to tot it up at the end and to tell you. On the back of the booklet is a sneak peek for November's box, and we have got a Naobe Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream, and this is worth £16. So everyone who subscribes to Lookfantastic will receive that in their box next month. So let's get on to opening it up. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Hold on. Oh my word! Oh my word! There, I can't show you properly, but I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. What is this? Now this is a complete surprise for me. I don't receive a press release from Lookfantastic, so whenever I receive the boxes I don't have a clue what's inside, unless I happen to spot a spoiler online, but I haven't done so for this month. But no, I'm really excited to see. I just picked something up. Glove. What is this? A towel? I'll go through it one by one showing you, but let's see what the theme is for October. So the theme is retreat, and it says, as the winter gets colder and the days feel darker, our retreat edition beauty box is here to help you feel cozy and relaxed. Okay, so I'm dying to open this. It just feels like a big towel of some sort. So this is by the brand Glove. It's a soft hair wrap, super absorbent hair towel for shorter drying time. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is something completely different. Being a bit of a subscription box addict, there can be a bit of a crossover between different subscription boxes. So when we get something that I've never received before, it does get me really excited. Oh, this is gorgeous. It feels so soft. Now we have had products from Glove before, but not one of these. So say that's my head. You've got a button at the back there. You twist it like that, and then, yeah, there. You've got a little tie thing there, and you tie the button on there, and there you go. I love that. I just think that is brilliant. Such a cool thing to add in a beauty box. I really, really like it. And it's so soft. Really, really soft. Yeah, so what can I tell you about it then? So this hair wrap is worth £14.99. Suitable for all hair types, this glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. Ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair masks and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. I think that is brilliant. A fab start to the box. Really, really like that. Next, we've got Earl Grey Bath Tea by Bubble Tea. It's like bath salts, but Earl Grey tea. This is something different as well. And this is an exclusive for Lookfantastic. It's got it written, where is it there? Fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea, containing 100 grams of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Okay then, let's have a sniff. I love tea. Just smells like lemon tea. Oh, that smells gorgeous. Can you see there? So they look like little crystals, don't they? So to buy this, it'll cost you £5.99. This innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. So there's that. Next we've got a face mask, and this is an eye mask. This is by Star Skin, and this is Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Mask. I can feel it in there. I don't want to take it out because as soon as I take it out, I'll have to use it. But yeah, I do love eye masks. So in your box, you'll either receive this one by Star Skin or a Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Mask. Just down there. And they are both worth £4.25. And it just says brighten and rejuvenate your eye area with your eye masks, designed to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles. So there's that. Next we've got an overnight foot cream by eCooking, and this is 30 mils. My husband owns quite a few beauty products from this brand and he really, really likes them as well. But I never tried a foot cream. That smells really nice. Has it got eucalyptus in it maybe? Oh, see. Look. I just want to put my finger in there. Nope, nail goes in instead. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels like a gorgeous balm. It is eucalyptus in there, which also would be amazing if you have a cold. Is it Vicks Rub? I'm just thinking of like many years ago when I was little. By rubbing it on your chest or on your feet, it's apparently supposed to, yeah, help you breathe and things. Is that right? Is that right about your feet though? Or have I just completely grabbed that from somewhere? But yeah, regardless, if you've got this on your feet at night, you will get a waft of it. So yeah, that's where my thinking is of like if you've got a cold. But yeah, it's not supposed to be for that. It's supposed to be a nice cream for your feet. So this 30ml foot cream is worth £8.10, and it says working its magic while you sleep. This eCooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. It says massage the cream gently into your feet before you go to sleep. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. There's that. Next we've got a By Terry product, which I'm really excited about. I think this is the lip balm, is it? Yeah, Balm de Rose. This is our sneak peek from last month. By Terry is a gorgeous brand. Really, really lovely. I love their powders. So I've tried Balm de Rose before, but it's in like a little pot, you know, a lip balm little pot. So it's like a lip glossy type look to it. It's the smell of roses. I don't like roses. But the actual balm though is absolutely gorgeous. It's so lovely. I don't think it's as strong as the solid lip balm that I've got. I won't try it because of the lip shade I've got on, but no, that's a really lovely size, isn't it? This is a Balm de Rose Falconet. What's a falconet? Falconet. Lip gloss maybe, and it's worth £14. This travel friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E, it glides onto your lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine. Perfect for on the go nourishment. I really, really like that. I'm impressed. got buy Terry product in a subscription box. Yeah, I am really impressed with that. So there's that. And lastly, we got a product by Balance Me, and this is a Bakuchiol Soothing Serum. I have never heard of that before. 7 mils. There. You can read it. What is a Bakuchiol? Our plant-based alternative to retinol, improves radiance, texture and reduces fine lines and wrinkles with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. Smooth a pea-size amount of serum onto a cleansed face, neck and chest. That sounds amazing. So this 7ml size is worth £11, and it says here Bakuchiol, that's if I'm saying it right, hopefully I am, is 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. Smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. I can't believe I've never heard of that before. Why haven't I heard of that before? I am really excited to give that a go. Something very, very new. And Balance Me is a nice brand as well. We've had a lot of Balance Me products in subscription boxes before, including Lookfantastic. Yeah, so we've got a plant-based retinol serum there. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm just going to add them all up. So these are all the items inside this month's Lookfantastic. There's 6 products in all. The cost of the box is £15. The total value comes to just under £60. And I just think it is amazing this month. I am really, really impressed with it. Lots of exciting new products for me to try. Really happy with it. I love the fact that they've added this hair wrap in here. That is amazing. Really, really cool. I can't wait to give that a go. The same with the foot cream, the tea bath salts. It just smells gorgeous. But yeah, buy Terry as well. Definitely a retreat type subscription box this month. The theme is spot on. I am really, really impressed. Really impressed. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you watching this wondering if this subscription is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.